StoriesOnBoard AI is a groundbreaking new AI software that just dropped, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're someone who's looking to take your digital storytelling or business planning to the next level, you're going to want to stick around till the end. This software might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. So, first things first, StoriesOnBoard is an AI-driven platform designed to streamline the storyboarding process for digital projects. Whether you're working on a film, a marketing campaign, or even game development, it helps bring your ideas to life in a way that's fast and intuitive. The software has recently been released, and it's already generating a lot of buzz. What sets it apart from other AI storyboarding tools? Well, the first key feature is its ability to generate highly detailed interactive storyboards automatically. Rather than manually dragging and dropping assets or trying to figure out the structure, StoriesOnBoard uses AI to intelligently suggest and lay out scenes, shot types, and more. It's as close as you can get to having an AI assistant that understands your creative vision. Next up, StoriesOnBoard offers real-time collaboration. For teams working on projects remotely, this is a lifesaver. Multiple users can work on the same storyboard simultaneously, sharing ideas, making edits, and commenting in real time. The seamless collaboration feature eliminates the need for multiple versions of documents or endless back and forth emails. One of the things that will stand out immediately is how StoriesOnBoard integrates with other tools you probably already use. It works with popular platforms like Slack, Google Drive, and even Trello, allowing you to import assets and integrate your workflow without skipping a beat. This isn't just some isolated tool, it plays well with others in your digital ecosystem. Another game-changing aspect is its AI-driven scene suggestion engine. Based on the data you input about the mood, setting, and context, the AI suggests scene compositions and layouts that you might not have thought of on your own. This is perfect for creatives who are feeling stuck or need a fresh perspective. You might be surprised by the creative ideas the software comes up with. But let's talk about usability. While AI can sometimes feel intimidating, StoriesOnBoard is designed with ease of use in mind. The interface is sleek and intuitive, even if you're new to storyboarding software. You won't have to spend hours learning how to use it. It's all about getting your ideas down fast and effortlessly. Plus, there's a tutorial built into the software to guide you every step of the way. And yes, StoriesOnBoard is not just for filmmakers or animators. Its versatility makes it perfect for marketers, business planners, or anyone who needs to visualize their ideas in a clear and compelling way. The software gives you the ability to map out entire customer journeys, product development paths, or marketing strategies, anything that requires structured thinking and planning. Lastly, StoriesOnBoard is constantly evolving. The team behind it has already promised future updates that will integrate more advanced AI capabilities. So, as AI technology continues to improve, so will StoriesOnBoard, making it a solid long-term investment for your creative projects. Now, if you're interested in trying out StoriesOnBoard for yourself, you can actually get started for free with the first link below. I highly recommend you give it a go and see how it can transform your workflow. And hey, if you're looking for more great AI software recommendations, check out my list in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust the most. So, go ahead and dive in, and don't forget to leave a comment letting me know how StoriesOnBoard worked for you.